Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yurita Putri Anggraini with student identification number 17016200065, Economic Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. Today, I will present my research proposal entitled The Effect of Financial Literacy of Financial Behavior with Financial Technology as a Mediation Variable in Culinary MSMEs in DKI Jakarta. Next is List of Contents. Chapter 1. Research Background, Research Question, Research Purposes, Benefits of Research. Chapter 2. Supporting Theory, Relevant Research Result, Theoretical Framework, Hypothesis Development. Chapter 3. Time and Place of Research, Research Design, Population and Sample, Data Collection Technique, Data Analysis Technique. Next is background behind. Managed finance is reality which must face by every man in life daily, where somebody must manage finance with good so that can balancing between income and expenditure, so that can fulfill need life as well as not trapped in difficulty finance. So you can see financial behavior data. And then research question. 1. Does financial literacy influence financial behavior? 2. Does financial literacy have an effect on financial technology? 3. Does financial technology influence financial behavior? 4. Does financial literacy influence financial behavior mediated by financial technology? Next, objective study. 1. To determine the effect of financial literacy on financial behavior. 2. To determine the effect of financial literacy on financial technology. 3. To find out the influence financial technology on financial behavior. 4. To determine the effect of financial literacy on financial behavior which is mediated by financial technology. Next is benefit study. Theoretical benefits and practical benefits. Theoretical benefits. This research is intended to provide new views in the field of economics, education, especially those related to financial literacy, financial behavior, and financial technology in MSMEs. Practical benefits. For the government, this research is intended to be of further concern, especially for the government to create policies and strategies aimed at improving MSMEs, especially understanding of finance and financial behavior. For companies, this research is intended to provide encouragement for financial service providers to inform MSMEs more about how to use and understand financial service such as financial technology. For the university, this research is intended to be a reference for lecture, teaching material in course on digital entrepreneurship, digital economy, and so on. For readers, this research is intended to be a reference so as to support understanding related to financial literacy, financial behavior, and financial technology in MSMEs. Next is theory supporter. Theory of planned behavior and theory acceptance model. Theory of planned behavior is theory which based on assumption based that behavior somebody done in a way aware and consider various information and experience which required for taking decisions. In theory, there is attitude to behavior, normal subjective, and perception control behavior which together form intention and behavior. Technology acceptance model theory this developed first time by Davis, who became one model for predict utility something system information and technology. On theory time, level reception use technology determined by four draft that is reception expediency, perception convention, Interns use technology and use technology truly. Next, research study which relevant. Here, which title influence literacy finance to behavior finance with financial technology as variable intervening with SMSs in Jambi City. Research study explains that there is influence positive and significant to connection between literacy finance and technology finance, connection between technology finance and behavior finance, connection between literacy finance and behavior finance, as well as connection between literacy finance and behavior finance which mediated by technology finance. Anisha, which title influence literacy finance, inclusion finance, and financial technology to behavior finance perpetrator MSMEs in sub-district Sekupang. Research study explains that literacy finance influential significant to behavior finance. However, inclusion finance and financial technology no influential significant to behavior finance. Next is framework theory. You can see financial literacy, financial technology, and financial behavior. Next is development hypothesis. Hypothesis 1. It is suspected that financial literacy influences to financial behavior. Hypothesis 2. It is suspected that financial literacy influences financial technology. Hypothesis 3. It is suspected that financial technology influences on financial behavior. And hypothesis 4. It is suspected that financial literacy has an influence on financial behavior which is mediated by financial technology. Next is method study. Time and place of research. When the research was carried out in March until July 2024, and the place of research was carried out in the DKI Jakarta area. Research design. The design of this research used quantitative research with a survey method by distributing questionnaires. Population and sample. The population in this study is MSME actors in the culinary sector with types of food, drinks, and snacks in DKI Jakarta totaling 5,006. In determining the sample, the researcher used the Taro-Yamane formula with a sample size of 100 respondents. And next, method study. Data collection technique and data analysis technique. The data source used in this research is primary data. The data collection method is carried out by distributing questionnaires to subjects that have been determined according to the variables that have been measured. The data analysis technique. Researchers use descriptive analysis and sample as analysis. Outer model, inner model, mediation analysis, and hypothesis test. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.